Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers, the work from home job opportunities and the work from office job opportunities for the testers. So let me share the job opportunities with you. So the very first job opportunity is for the technical managers. So there is a hiring for going on for technical managers and it is at Automation Edge Technologies is the name of the company and the location is Mumbai. It's a full-time work from office role. It is available for immediate joiners only. So they are looking for someone who has 7 to 9 years of experience to lead automation projects, mentor teams, and drive digital transformation using RPA, Java, Selenium, APIs, and cloud. And you can send your CV to this particular email addresses. Then there is a requirement at the Qualcomm Bangalore office. So they are looking to fill the several positions in the camera team that is based in the Hyderabad, right? So would be a walk-in drive, and this is for the freshers. So it will be taking place on 15th of November, and candidates who have strong experience in C, C++ programming skills, right? They have good knowledge with C, C++ programming skills. They can apply and you can send your resume to this particular email address for now. Then there's a requirement for performance testers and the location is Hyderabad. So there are many people out there who are telling that the job opportunities are not shared for the Hyderabad location. So we are sharing for the Hyderabad location as well. So they are looking for immediate joiners. Location is Hyderabad, work from office 5 days a week. You can send your uh, resume profile at this particular email address. And the key skills that they are looking is functional testing, experience in development, Python scripting, familiarity with agile scrum environments. Then there's a requirement for uh, QA automation and okay. So yeah, QA automation that is in Bangalore location, experience 5 to 9 years, and work mode would be 5 days work from office. And this is the email address wherein you can share your resume. Then there is a requirement for associate software engineer in test at OLX India. The location is Gurugram, work from office. And this is a link wherein you can apply. So I'll be putting this link in the first comment itself of the video. So you can refer there. Black Duck Company is having 3 positions for staff lead QA engineer. And you can share your resume to this particular email address. The location is Bangalore, but it's a hybrid role. I think it would be 2 days or 3 days to the office. They are looking for someone who has 7+ years of hands-on experience in QA, Agile Scrum environments with advanced proficiency in both automated and manual testing of the web applications. Then this is a mega walk-in drive at Cognizant Company. They are looking for API testing, Playwright, Cypress, Python testing. So these are the links wherein you can apply. Experience required is minimum 4 to 10 years, and date is Saturday, November 8, and the timings are 9 a.m. IST onwards. Location is Chennai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Then Zingbus position is hiring for a senior QA manual testers, 3 to 6 years of experience. You can apply over here. Then there is one more requirement with respect to QA automation. Experience is 4+ years of experience is required, and you can share your CV at this particular email address. They are looking for someone who knows Selenium, APM, Cypress, Playwright, hands-on experience with AI-powered QA tools, ability to design, develop, and execute automated test cases for both web and mobile applications, experience with CI/CD integration, test reporting, and defect management. Then there is a requirement for the company Hexaware Technologies. They are hiring for the experience 4 to 12 years, and these are the different positions that are open. They are hiring for Pune, Chennai, and Coimbatore locations. So these days, if you see the job descriptions, the locations, the Coimbatore is coming forward, right? So there are openings in companies, and the locations are given as Coimbatore. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there is a job opportunity for QA automation Python plus robot framework role. Experience required is 5+ years. Location is Bangalore. Work model would be hybrid, 3 days from office. And they are looking for someone who can join immediately within 3 weeks itself. The skill set that they are looking is for Python, QA automation, robot framework, API testing, integration testing, SQL, Agile. right? So these are the requirements. Then there's a requirement for fresher, and it's a work from office, Pune based location. And you can share your updated resume at this particular email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this particular number. And apart from this, also there are multiple other positions. So let me share those details with you. So there's a hiring going on for the position of QA manual tester and automation tester. So two for manual tester positions are available and one position for automation testing is available. Availability is immediate joiners. Location is Ahmedabad, and you can send your CV to this particular email address. More information is given at this tridenture.com. This is the website name. Then there's a requirement for freshers. The walk-in drive is also happening 6th and 7th November. That is today and tomorrow. 8th November also the walk-in drive would be there. They are hiring for QA freshers, iOS freshers, and PHP freshers. So you can scan this QR code for the company-based locations, and this is the email address, and these are the contact details wherein you can apply. Right. So these are the details with respect to the job opportunities for freshers, the experience, and we also shared with you few of the work from office, the hybrid job opportunities with you. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.